Welcome to the D2l training module number 2, the home page. I've just logged in as Mr. Teacher and I have completed my profile, my notifications and my account settings, and I'm ready to move forward. I'd like to point out on the system home page, one of the widgets is the Desire to Learn Help module, which will give you a list of all of the areas that you will be working with, and a lot of these you won't be, but it's a very valuable resource. Click on News, for instance. You click on About News, how to access the news tool, how to manage your news items, how to create a news items. Everything is laid out here. It's a great resource. I'm going to go to Mr. Teacher's course now. Is the home page right here is Mr. Teacher's science course, and I land in the home page. This area of the home page is set up by the system administrator as a default page. Teachers can change the look of their home page, and here's how you do that. You can go into My Tools, click on Edit Course, and click on Home Pages, which will take you to a page where you can create your home page. I have just created a couple of different ones over here. I'll show you one of these. For instance, my SNC2D home page trial. I will click on this. The first thing it will do is ask you for a name. You have to give it a name. Then it will ask you for a description, a different look to my home page. You do not have to give a description. That's for your own use. The home page header. This is the home page header right here. You can have that in your home page, or you can customize it and create one of your own. When we come down a little bit further, what type of home page do you want? You have 3 different options. Do you want to design one that's based on widgets? Do you want to make an existing tool the home page? Or maybe you have a website right now that's an excellent website, and you may want that for your URL in the home page. Let me go here, for instance, and I will type in the Canadian Online High School. I'm going to save and close that. I'm going to then take that home page trial and apply that, and go to my grade 10 science home page, and you'll see that our website now will come into the content area. So this is what you will see in your course and all of your students. You may not like this look. If you don't, you may want to change that. Here we go back to My Tools, edit the course, go back to Home Pages, and select the home page that I just changed, and I'm going to come over here and design a widget-based home page instead. I can choose my layout. I have a number of different layouts. I can pick the one I want. You will get familiar with this after a while. I'm going to update, select that, and then I'm going to add some widgets. So the first widget I'm going to add would be a calendar, and I will add that widget. Here I'm going to come on this side of the room and find news, and I'm going to add that to my home page. And maybe down here I am going to find a picture library, and I will add that to my home page. Now, if I decided that I would rather have the news on this side, I would just take it and switch it over. So I have news, calendar, and picture library. Now, I can click on any one of these 3 to go into the properties. These are the properties for news. I can display the title bar. I can customize the name of it. I can add some colors. I can change the border style. the color of the border and the width of the border. Once I make some changes, I could save and then close. And then I'm just going to go back one more time here because I didn't finish. I could do the same thing with my calendar and with my properties for the picture library. Once I've got the widgets that I want to see on my home page, I'm going to save it and close it, and then make sure that I apply that active home page. Then I'm going to go back to my science home page, and then I see the title, Welcome to Grade 10 Science. I've got my news section here. I have my calendar over here, and I have my picture library. So yes, you can change the look of your home page.